Hello, I've been getting a couple of questions here about the adapter plate for the AEMS, the Holosun AEMS, and how the height is compared to the Unity tactical height stuff. So I got both of their magnifiers here, one for the Eotech, I think it's a G33, and then the Aimpoint, I don't remember what it's called. So they're both Unity products. Both Unity risers for the Aimpoint, the Eotech, and then this is a ScalarWorks lower third. With the plate and everything, it's a little bit lower, like 0.08 inch lower, and people want to know what it looks like. So I'm going to start off with the Aimpoint magnifier riser combo. Put that on. And you can see it lines up pretty good. I'm going to see if there's... Now obviously you can adjust, and I don't know how this is going to work with the light. You can adjust, and also I'm using the fisheye. I'm zoomed in a lot over here. So I don't really know how well you're going to be able to see everything. But the height, when it's down, I can see very well enough without the riser getting in the way. And then when it's up, it's pretty centered. And I hate doing videos like this because I'm not like pro or anything. Then we'll do the Eotech magnifier. I like the Aimpoint one more because it doesn't have this big brick hanging out there. And it obscures more the sight, this one, even on the Eotech. So that's why I wanted to kind of do a comparison with everything all at once. So that was that. So you can see here, it's about the same level of annoying little coverage you get there at the bottom of the window. Still lines up. That's why I like this one more. It's just less stuff going on up here. It gets less in the way of the window. That's with the Eotech. I like the Eotech, but I'm not much a fan of this. And then with the Aimpoint, it's kind of like the best for everything. It doesn't get in the way of anything. Put it down. Now the window is smaller on this too. So that's another thing that's in the benefit of the AEMS, is that the window is so large you can get away with more. I think there's, if you want to say tolerance. And I'm sorry, the camera kind of warps everything, so it's not like a super accurate representation, but you'll definitely not notice much when you hold it up to you. And then you can also adjust the actual center of your optic in the magnifier with these guys. But this is my preferred setup. Anyways, thank you.